Hey guys, here is the experience of a migtow who learned his lessons quickly and started working for what he cares. Let's listen.
My experiences are tame, by all comparisons. A bad breakup. I was shocked. Days later, she was with Chad. I lost my shit. Everyone acted like that was the natural order of things. Later in life, creeping up on that wall, she tries to come back with sad apology bullshit, for beta bucks, someone to pay for her, and I said fuck you, your mother, her mother, your whole line of genetic retardation. Tell the Chad you picked, to pay for your bullshit. Yada yada yada. Met this girl in college. Spent a lot of time with her. Expressed desire for more. Was okay with it. Dragged me on as beta bucks, telling me, we should stay friends. Tells me she wants to marry a guy like her, with whom she can have new life experiences. Later she marries Dodd, taller than her. Her only real stipulation. He's divorced, and has 2 children, and is still involved with ex-wife and their family. I kept thinking about all her excuses to keep me strung along as beta bucks. How she would rather have a tall but used up Chad than a fresh beta bucks, me. They are all married with multiple kids now. And here I am, ghosting and looking to retire at 50.
This is true. Girls go for alpha splash and later settle for beta bucks. Careful dealing with them. Be safe out there. What better way to save a brother than sharing your story? Send your stories to redpill.story@gmail.com. Contribute at patreon.com/redpillstory. If you like to hear more of these experiences, comment, rate and subscribe. Don't forget to bang the bell. You can follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/storyredpill. Find me on Facebook at facebook.com/storyredpill. To avoid attacks from social justice warriors, follow me on gab.ai at gab.ai/storyredpill. Cheers. See you tomorrow.